Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com. And your chart of the day. Want to take a look at ARK Innovation and their ETF ARKK. And I think this stock is actually performing quite well. It is heavy on the technology base, hence the name ARK Innovation. It does follow the triple Qs pretty closely, but it outperforms the triple Qs by more than double. And so it's certainly an ETF that I want to pay attention to and I want to watch, but I don't think I want to buy it just yet. I actually think I want to wait for a break out of this consolidation pattern that it's in. You can see it's actually pinching quite nicely. We have a series of lower highs, but we also have a pattern of higher lows. And so I want to watch to see if ARKK can break out of this consolidation and make a higher high relative to 83.75. If we can get a move through and a close above 83.75, I think this could be a buy with a wide starter stop down around $78. So that's the setup that I'm watching to play out here on ARK Innovation. It's just one of many that we're watching right now at StockMarketMentor.com. If you're watching this right now on YouTube or through your email and you're not a premium member, you are missing out on the great things we're doing at Stock Market Mentor. Dan's active trade list is absolutely killing it. He just locked in another 30% gain like 2 days ago, and it's just one of many that is on his active trade list right now. And so I urge you to join us and see what we're up to at Stock Market Mentor. If the chart that I'm showing you now is interesting to you, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Take a trial, StockMarketMentor.com. I hope to see you soon.